In this tutorial, I will walk you through vocabulary flashcards, an online software we are going to use for learning and revising new vocabulary from the Secret Diary of Adrian Mole. In the second module, in the vocabulary section under 2.3 Vocabulary Practice Adrian Mole January, is actually the link that will take you to the software. Before you start doing anything, I would like to point out the drop-down menu in the bottom right-hand corner where you have 4 different study modes to choose from. My personal preference is to start with the flashcards, to actually go through the words and their definitions first. Clicking the gear icon offers additional settings. I will now just show you my personal favorites when it comes to organizing the flashcards. So I like to have term audio on to hear the actual words spoken, but I have the definition audio off because I don't want to hear the definitions. And I also like to start with both sides first to go through all the new words where I have the term and the definition. After that, after finishing all, in this case 32 words and expressions, I would go to seeing the term first, then thinking and trying to remember what the actual definition is, then clicking flip the card to see whether I was correct, and repeat the process for all the words in this set. And as an additional practice, I would now turn to have the software show me the definition first, then I would try to remember what the actual word is and flip the card to see whether I was correct. Once I'm done with that, I have three other ways to practice these words. Speller is the option where you actually hear the word and then you need to type it in, sorry. When you make a mistake like this, the software shows you what was your mistake and then asks of you to repeat, and so on and so on. Next, I would go to scatter study mode. It's a speed game. How quickly can you actually connect the words to their definitions? So once you connect them correctly, both the word and the definition disappear from the screen. If you are mistaking like this, nothing happens. The words just go back to its place. And of course the point is that you do this as quickly as possible, and you can try as many times as you wish. And finally, the learn mode is a very typical exercise. You're given the word, try typing in the answer. Where you are given, if your answer is incorrect, you are given the actual correct answer. And so on and so on. There is an option in this case. For example, I've said light rain. The actual definition was light steady rain, which is really just a finesse in the meaning. You can override and say, you know, I was correct. And then there is an option for you to uncheck if you want to start with the definition and provide the term, and so on and so on. Here you are given the remaining count of the words, how many you got incorrect and how many you got correct. And there you go. That's it.